March, he was asked about the status of his love life, and he said, quote, "I'm single and ready to mingle," end of quote. He admits that he was surprised when the crowd asked him why he gave such an answer.
Kumbaga, tinanong lang po ako kung anong status, tapos sinagot ko lang naman po, and it was very in passing lang naman. So, yun, dami nga nagsigawan. Sabi, bakit nagsisigawan sa mga to? Sinagot ko lang naman yun.
He explained that his statement did not mean having a rift with his longtime on-screen partner, Kim.
Well, hindi naman po na-apektuhan din yung pagsasama namin. Hindi naman, hindi, I don't mean to be negative. Single and relationship. So, sa lahat ng nagsitake ng negative, positive po lahat yun. Kumbaga, happy-happy na.
Their friendship is still very much intact, and in fact, Sian shares that he was the first friend Kim called when she met an accident last week.
Yun nga actually, nung nangyari po yun, naka-receive ako ng tawag kaagad sa kanya na sobrang worried, just sabi niya, parang ano talaga, hindi siya mapagsalita. Sabi ko, anong nangyari? So, sinabi niya sa akin, pero yun nga, right when she got checked up, sinabi naman niya na okay lahat. So syempre makakaba rin na makarinig ng gano'n. Pero good thing na okay siya, walang sa mga.
May is all about staying on top.